What is going on, guys? Today I want to talk about basically, the Bobcat miner. So my last one came in. This makes number 10. I did basically an order of 2, an order of 1, and then an order of 7. So finally, last one that came in. Last one I need to set up as well. I'm going to be taking this over to my friend's house, and we'll see how it goes. But basically, again, the process of it is super simple. Here's a box, right? You open it up. You have this piece of paper in the front. Take that out. You have the packaging, right? We take this out. And then boom. Here is the miner and the warranty card with the cable, antenna, and screws. We really haven't figured out what I need these for yet. Because I haven't used them, so might have to make some adjustments or something. But basically, it's super simple to set up, right? You literally screw it in. You don't even have to read the instructions. You can. It takes like 20 seconds, but it's super easy. It's literally just screw in, put the antenna, screw that in, plug it into the miner. Miner plugs into outlet. You take out phone. You download app onto phone, and then from that point on, you basically put this chip in. Let me, if I find it, somewhere in here. Here it is. You put this basically into the tiny socket of the Bobcat miner, and all it is there's a button inside. It basically turns the miner from red into green, and then from green you press it again and it goes into Bluetooth, and then that's when you go on the app, follow the instructions there. Again, super simple. You just wait for the Bluetooth to connect to the miner. You press Bobcat miner 300. You press yours, obviously. Then from there, all you have to do is input your Wi-Fi password. Then from that point on, it starts syncing up. Takes a little bit to finish the entire process, and then you're good to go, right? I have one right back there. I actually am going to put it upstairs, so that way instead of 1 meter, I'm looking at, if I put it on the 3rd floor, I'll be looking at around 5 to 6 meters. So again, it's not bad, but how much have I actually made? Again, this is brand new, right? They've all been set up right within the past like 2 weeks now, and from that point on, basically what I've made is in a little bit around 3 weeks. One of them in this location has made 0.65 H&T, which is the equivalent to around like basically $13, which is very pathetic. I'm not gonna lie. So that's why I'm testing out a lot of new stuff, right? I'm gonna put it upstairs. I'm gonna have my buddy check all of them, make sure everything's best, they're in the best location possible. Go through the list, be like, okay, here, all right, good. Or make adjustments, because I really want this to get to the point where theoretically I would be liking to make 1 HNT a day, or at least 1 every 2 days. Why? Because basically I want my return on investment. I spent right under $6,000 on all 10. I want that return on investment back within less than a year, hopefully. And a friend of mine, he actually has only 1. However, his ended up making, I believe it was 10 H&T in 1 day at the current price target of $20. That's $200 in a day, right? Which basically means every miner costs right under $600. So basically within 3 days, he would have broke even. Now, if I can do that with 10, that'd be $2,000 in a day. I'd say that's freaking great, right? So I want to see, I know there's ways to make them better. You can up the antenna frequency. So I'm going to be testing that as well, adding that on too. I think it costs like $15. I can buy one. So I want to see that, right? That'd be another $150 investment to make as well. But again, you just got to see it, because at the end of the day, while these are good miners, it matters about the return on investment for me. I bought these not as a make a bunch of H&T, wait for the price of H&T to reach around that $100, $120 price target that I have. It's really get it, produce cash flow. You guys know how I am. I'm all about that cash flow, right? My cards bring me in cash flow. I'm about to break $10,000 a month on those, so I'm super excited about that, right? But I would love for all 10 of these to, at minimum, I would want to see a $1,000 a month on this. That's kind of my goal. But anything above that, again, is fantastic. I need to pay for my apartment in New York somehow. It's going to be expensive enough as it is. Thank you, HOA. But yeah, so again, it's all about that cash flow. I really want to see these produce some. I want to try different methods. Obviously, I'll share them so you guys can get the maximum out of yours as well. Now, if you haven't ordered one yet and you do decide to order it, you're looking at about a 6 to 12 month waiting period. So just be aware of that, right? If you basically order it right now, you'll have October, November, December, January, February. The earliest day would come would be February, March time, but more realistically around May of 2022. But yeah, this is the last one. I set them up all basically through Texas, Los Angeles, and actually I don't have one in Utah, so I can see. Plus, I also theoretically have 2 right now that I can get my hands on right away, that I ordered for a buddy of mine, but I don't think he wants them anymore, so I could theoretically just take those. But anyways, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Right now, it's super easy to set up. Rewards aren't great yet, so I want to test a lot of different stuff, but also I haven't set all 10 up yet, and they haven't been going for at least a month. So then at that point, I can truly start counting my return on investment. But that's basically it. That's what a $6,000 investment currently looks like. I also want to make a lot more because otherwise, yeah. Anyways, that's basically the point of this video. If you guys want to check them out, right, go to bobcatminer.com. Watch out for those scam websites. There are a lot out there. If you guys want, you can get some free shit if you click the links in the description below. Give a lot of, like, basically free stocks, crypto, and money out there. And then don't forget to like, comment, and sub if you guys want to. But other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.